Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can permanently delete your Instagram account on your PC. Now, usually it's very easy to be able to do this on your phone, but it's also pretty much simple to do it on your PC if you just know where to go. Now first, what you need to do is to head over here to More on the bottom left side of your screen. You then head over to Settings, and then you go to Account Center over here on Meta. When you go to Meta, that is where every sensitive option regarding your account, such as your personal details, password and security, as well as your ad preferences, is found. And that includes deleting or deactivating your account. So let's head over to Account Center now, and then we'll be sent to this new page. And as you can see, you will see all the profiles that I have control of. Now you can just click on any one of these profiles, and then you can choose to delete them. And what you need to do is, for example, I want to delete this account here. You need to go to personal details over here, and then you go to account ownership and control. And then you have the choice to whether you want your account to be memorialized or whether deactivated or deleted. So this is the one that we need to go for. So we want to delete it. So now we're just going to tab to choose the account that we want to delete. For example, I want to delete this account. So you can either deactivate the account or delete the account. We want to delete it, so we click on delete. And now it asks us to create a password before deleting this account. If you confirm permanent account deletion, you'll have the option to cancel the deletion process by logging into your account before October 5, 2025. So there's still like a chance for you to log in. Now just head to continue, and then you just need to enter the confirmation code that will be sent to you on whether it's your phone or your email. It depends on what you use to create your account in order to verify it. So you just need to find out to create your account password. So let's say we're going to put that code there, and then we're just going to put a password. Once you put the password, your account will immediately start the process to be deleted unless you log it in again before the specific day that was provided earlier. So basically, that's all you need to do, and your account will be gone that simply. And that's it. That is how you can permanently delete your account on Instagram. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.